Wondering which phone to choose between the TECNO Phantom X and the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra? You are in the right place. Let's do a detailed comparison of the technical specs, the feature, the camera, processor, and more. First, the prices. The Phantom X goes for 228k Naira, which is equivalent to $555, and the Xiaomi Mi 11 is priced at 348k Naira, which is equivalent of $914. That's over 120k Naira difference. You should keep that in mind as we go on. Number 2 is the camera. The Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra comes with a 50 megapixel main camera, 20 megapixel selfie camera, 48 megapixel telephoto, and a 48 megapixel ultra wide camera, and it also shoots in 8K. While the Phantom S comes with a 50 megapixel main camera, 48 megapixel selfie camera, 13 megapixel telephoto lens, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and it shoots in 4K. Number 3, display. The Phantom S comes with a Super AMOLED screen, while the Xiaomi Mi 11 comes with an AMOLED screen. The Xiaomi Mi 11 is slightly bigger than the Phantom X. It's 6.8 inches, while the Phantom X is 6.7 inches. Also, the Phantom S comes with a 90Hz refresh rate for display, while the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra comes with a 120Hz refresh rate. Number 4, the battery. Both phones come with a non-removable battery, although the Phantom S comes with a 4700 mAh battery, and the Xiaomi Mi 11 comes with a 5000 mAh battery. Number 5, the performance. The OS of both devices is the current Android 11 OS, and it can be upgraded over time. The Phantom X features a MediaTek Helio G95 chipset, while the Xiaomi Mi 11 features a Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset. They both have an octa-core processor and internal memory of 128, 256, and 512GB. Number 6, fast charging. Phantom S comes with a 33-watt fast charger that can charge your device from 0 to 70% in 30 minutes, while the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra comes with a 67-watt fast charger that can charge your device from 0 to 100 in 36 minutes. Wow! Now, overall, on the camera, the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra wins. On the screen, the Phantom X is better because its Super AMOLED will give you a brighter display, low power consumption, and 87% less sunlight reflection. On the refresh rate, I will lean towards the Xiaomi Mi 11 because the 120Hz refresh rate will render a better and faster display. On fast charging, once again, Xiaomi Mi 11. Charging your phone from 0 to 100% in 36 minutes, wow, that's good. My final thoughts. I think they're both good devices and you get value for your money. But if I have to choose one, I'll choose Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. That's all guys. I hope you enjoyed the comparison. Please don't forget to subscribe. Also like, comment, and share. Bye guys.